hours and half. Wala pang traffic yun ah. But if it's traffic, so maybe 10 hours. Oh, they have a freight tire also here. Yes. Walang traffic, pero ang layo ng ano namin traffic. Where's the Olympic Lab? The Olympic. Olympic.
Olympia,
Ayan.
already got by.
Okay. Ang layo, layo. Easy ka kakain. Ang kawala ng antok. I'm feeling sleepy earlier. Oh, that's why I'm so quiet. Turnwater Boulevard, Olympic Airport. Layo ng biyahe namin.
Clear traffic from now on.
No traffic?
All the way.
All the way, no traffic? To going there?
All right.
That's good. Until to the Sun House. Busog ako. Another 2 hours. Left.
Now, yeah.
Layo guys, na pinilihan yung ito? Golf car. Bili siya ng golf car para sa friend niya. Here we go. Where? Will you stop there? Okay. Stop muna kami dito guys. Wow.
Truck stop here.
Ha?
Big truck stop here.
Stop muna kami kasi magkakapi para mawala ang antok.
Pilot truck stop here.
Wow.
You see it in Arlington? Go in here, take a little break, drink some water, take a little walk around the truck,
Okay.
out on the highway.
Then back on the highway. We're on the halfway. That is right. We're on the
About
halfway.
halfway, yeah, pretty close to halfway.
About on the halfway. Kalahati pa lang kami, guys. Another 2 hours travel to go there. To go to the Vancouver, Washington. So that's the Portland is city. Then
Portland,
the Vancouver is barangay, like that.
no, Vancouver City,
Vancouver is
and
city.
Portland's also city,
Okay.
but they're very, very close.
Oh, Latrop Industrial.
Hey, there we go, that's our name, right?
You have an industrial.
Industrial park in our name.
You're
Anyway,
so rich.
we're loaded. You should get a picture of that.
Latrop. It seems feeling.
Yeah, everything's there. Anyway, Vancouver and Portland are only separated by a bridge over a river. And Vancouver is still Washington. Go over the bridge, you're in Oregon, you're in Portland, Oregon.
Okay.
Divides the state up in that way. Okay.
Okay.
We're going to stop here for a little bit,
And then
take a little rest.
we have a fee here if you parking here for a while.
We're here a little bit.
No payment.
No, nothing.
That's free.
Extra vehicles. Yeah, and then we'll charge. We're going to park here a second. Drink some water, maybe use the restroom.
Yun guys, nasa kalahati pa lang kami. Kalahati pa lalakbayin na. Ang init. It's summer here. That's why it's hot like in the Philippines.
Yes, very much. Park right here for a few minutes. We're going to use the restroom.
Few minutes. Yeah, I didn't go to the restaurant though.
No for you?
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't know? No, you
I don't. I didn't go to the
Okay.
restaurant. Okay, you go to the restaurant?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
You want coffee?
Yes, I do. You will come with me or stay here?
Why? We didn't. You go to the restroom.
That's all.
Then you come back here. Yeah, I'm waiting you here.
Wait here for you, okay? Go for some water. Go get some water for us.
I'll get water. Here.
Thank you, love. In the cup with this?
Hmm?
There's a cup with in the cup?
Cup?
Coffee cup? It's back
Where?
there. Yeah, back behind you. I'll do it back there.
Oh, I can. Oh, it's cold.
I'll
Why
be
you
back.
do that to me?
Oh, feels good. That feels good. Okay. Okay, well, of course,
Okay,
coffee
I'm
for you while I'm
waiting
gone.
you
Is this
here.
gone? Is your drink gone?
Oh yeah.
Okay. I'll take this with me then. And I'll hand you the coffee cup. Oh boy. Oh boy. Stretch my legs. Pull my back up a little bit. There we go. This just pops off like that.
Hmm.
You can pour some coffee for us while I'm gone.
Okay.
Okay, right back.
That's dirty.
Oh, it's clean enough.
That's clean?
Let's see.
Oh,
Yeah, it's
that's
clean.
dirty.
Let's see inside. Oh, it's good. Oh, yeah, take it. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
it's
take
dirty.
it. Okay.
Dumi ng tasa. Hindi niya nilinisan. Hi guys, ang init. Binuksan niya lang yung bintana. Gusto niya daw hangin galing sa labas. Ay. Yan ang outfit ko. Naka-short kasi ang init. Ang negra-negra ko na. So, yan lang guys. Update ko kayo ulit sa aming trip mamaya. Bye!